Hi, I'm a marketer working at Rapid Circle and the team has given me early access to try Copilot. I saw a stat that said it could boost your productivity up to 12% or more, so let's see what happens.
So this is me starting my day. I usually dread responding to emails, but this time it wasn't so bad. So Copilot offered to summarize an email thread for me and then made it so easy to reply. All of these canned responses and the ability to create a custom response literally based off 2 words. Look how elegant that is. I mean, I'm literally never going to have an excuse to not be on top of my emails.
Just getting back to the office now. I've had a coffee catch up with one of the sales team. I've got a lot of actions that I need to write down. So let's see if I can get Copilot to help me. So I've just rambled to say what happened in my meeting and let's see what happened. So if I click down here, I can see more prompts and list action items. Oh, there we go. I'm going to add them as tasks in my to-do list.
And there you go, so organized.
I work in an international team and the Dutch team have passed on a whole bunch of content, 7 documents.
These are articles that have been translated from Dutch to American English, so I wanted to fix the flow and also make sure that it was in Australian English. This can take a bit of time manually, but I got M365 Chat to do it for me and it did it so quickly. I just checked it was correct and that was it.
I've got a meeting with my boss now and we're going to discuss everything that we're looking to get out of the meeting this evening with our website designer, because our website designer is based in the UK.
Easier just because they are individual. And then after that,
Perfect.
that could probably be the...
Okay, so that was amazing. We had a really rambly meeting and when we asked it for a summary, it got it pretty much 95% correct. Now we've got our action items that we want to talk about and we can have a really concise meeting tonight. So I've just got home and I am jumping in to my last meeting of the day with my website designer and we feel so prepared.
It was super productive and I used Copilot to make sure we were all on the same page.
So it's the end of the day now. I finished my last meeting, which was yet another really successful and helpful one. It's so good to have Copilot there. I think that my favorite features are being able to summarize meetings and see what the action items are just while you're in a meeting to see if you're on the same page as your co-workers or if you're in a small marketing team like I am, your contractors. M365 Chat, that's just so fantastic. Having AI and a large language model inside Teams to just help you make sure that all of your communication is on point. That's just so fantastic. If you are interested in using Copilot and unlocking potential in your organization, look no further than Rapid Circle. Our specialists and consultants are more than happy to help.